Hey, I was just checking to see if it was recording. Hey, I'm walking home right now because I ordered delivery and decided to take a walk. So I gotta get home before the delivery guy gets there. Anyway, in other news, I got a new haircut. It's all off, afro's gone, but it's gonna be coming back soon, hopefully, because I cut it off because I wanted to restart on my afro because it wasn't growing right. Like in the back of my head, it was like all I would pick it out, but it wouldn't come out, you know. So I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna get S-curl, and that's dangerous for me to use S-curl because the last two times I used it, I freaking turned my hair straight. So that's not gonna work. So I'm sorry, I'm tired. I've been walking home, but I walked all the way to a lake that's all the way over there. I can show you guys no numbers or anything. Anyway, I walked to a house that's like all the way over there, and it's hot outside too, so it's making it worse. I wish it was cold outside because cold gives me energy. The heat, it's like the sun is like taking all the 5-hour energy I drink in like Yaga, you know? I don't drink 5-hour energy. Anyway, what I'm saying is that yeah, I'm gonna put S-curl in it so it could come out, it could pick out actually correctly. Not a lot because the past few times I use S-curl, it was straightening my hair to the point where I almost had like a white person's texture, like just straight. And you know, I would turn it from coarse to straight, and I didn't want that. I just wanted loose, you know, because my hair's like super thick when it's in an afro. So I'm gonna have this grow back out, put the smallest amount of S-curl in it so I can at least control it. And then I'm gonna see what happens from there. I'm gonna try to grow it out long too. And also the other reason I cut all my hair off, not all of it, some of it's still there, but I cut my hair down is because I couldn't fit my graduation helmet. I mean, not helmet, hat. I couldn't fit my graduation hat. And my head is already big as it is, but the afro is just making it worse. So I cut it down, tried on my graduation hat, and I'm still having trouble. So 50% of me is kind of regretting this decision because of that. But the other 50% is actually kind of glad that I did this because I wanted to restart my afro. And you know, I'm going with that 50 positive percent. Anyway, speaking of graduation hats, I am graduating this year. Matter of fact, next week I'm actually graduating this Friday. And it's crazy because, you know, it doesn't seem that long ago I was just like in 9th grade and stuff. And we've been through so much, like, pretty sure you guys know, Parker, you know, he passed away in 9th grade, and you know, and so many other things happened too. Like 4 more other people died this year, and it's crazy because I've seen 2 of them recently. Like one of my friends' mom passed away. I'm not gonna get into specifics, but I just felt bad for her. I couldn't even attend the funeral because I had to be fart. Okay, anyway, I'm getting to specifics. I'm gonna start shouting their security number in a minute. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is, it's crazy, you know. Mom and Dad were right when they said that life is fast, you know. But anyway, In the update, right now, I'm going to tell you that I am working on getting a laptop so I can make more videos for you guys. And, you know, I had to turn in my school laptop. And yes, I've been using the school laptop to make these videos for y'all. So thank you. It's been complicated trying to get the videos. I had to do a whole bunch of Google Drive uploading and stuff. It was crazy, but you know, got the videos out for y'all. You're welcome. So I'm working on getting the laptop right now so I can make more videos. And the laptop's not just for videos. I'm about to go to college in like 3 months. I'm gonna need a laptop, you know. So working on that. Found the MacBook that's like $200, 200 something. So, and my mom says she's gonna pay half. So, you know, I'm gonna get this laptop, and then maybe I'm gonna have a skit out for you guys soon. And you know what the ironic part about this is? I just got an email from the school saying that everyone at Clinton, besides the seniors, because you know we're going to a different school next year, they're going to be allowed to keep their laptops over the summer. So they don't have to, because every summer we would have to turn them in, but now they're saying they're going to keep them over the summer. That's some real bull crap. If they would have done that last year, 1 million subscribers, 1 million, bro. And then I could have bought myself a whole nother laptop. I could have been making more videos, better videos for you guys. But guess what? My school wanna be a boo-boo hole. I'm just kidding. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. This video is going on 7 minutes. Most of it has been me breathing very heavily instead of talking. But you know, it's okay. Oh, funny story. I did a delivery one time at this corner right here you're looking at. I did it, and you're probably wondering, this is not a house. That's right, I typed in the wrong address. Like, I missed a number in my address. So, like, I missed, like, one number in my, I keep saying that. I missed one number in my address and sent it and couldn't figure out how to change it. So, I looked it up on Google Maps just to see if the address would go anywhere. And true enough, it went to that corner right there. See, I had to walk to this corner and wait for the delivery driver to get there. And I explained to him what happened, because there's not a house on that corner. I mean, there is, but there's two houses on that corner. And none of them say the number I typed in. Like all these houses are in the triple digits numbers. And the number, I missed the number, so it was the double digits. So I don't know how it led to that one, but you know, led to that corner, but you know, it's whatever. Anyway, I'm out. Sorry, I gotta get home. Oh, I see the delivery guy right there. All right, I'm gonna see you later.